Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix League of Legends freezing or crashing on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type graphics, settings, click on it under the best match. Now since we have not added the League of Legends from here, now simply click on add a desktop app. Click on the Windows C drive, then look for the Riot Games. Click on the League of Legends, then you'll find here League of Legends client. Click on that, click on add. Now click on this drop down arrow and then you have here to click on this arrow for the GPU preference. Click on the high performance. Now once done, close this. Then make a right click at the start button. Then here we need to select device manager. Then simply click on display adapters. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now simply make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Then click this button, search for drivers on Windows Update. And this will also check for all the updates on your Windows, which is a very good thing. And once you're updated, simply close this. Then close this window. Then in the Windows search bar, type system configuration. Click on it under the best match. Then click on the services tab. Now check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now you can go with restart. So in your case, you have to click on restart. But in my case, I will just click on exit without restart because I will still show you the last method. Locate your League of Legends client desktop icon. Make a right click. Select show more options. Click on properties. Now here we have the properties window, which is the general, shortcut, compatibility, and the digital signatures tab. Click on the compatibility tab, and here you'll find this option, disable full screen optimizations, run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and click on OK. And finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.